Today we're going to show you how to decorate a face mask by using our sublimation process. Now let's point out that this is a polyester face mask, as cotton will not work for this process. We're going to lay our face mask on top of our lower platen and smooth it out for any wrinkles. As you can see, we've put a small towel under our face mask to help with increase the pressure and ease out the edges, the edging effect. Once that's set, you're going to choose your artwork and set it on top of your face mask. When that's ready, slide in the lower plate and you're ready to go. Close out the process. Now there are three major factors for a quality sublimation printing: high pressure, high temperature, and longer application time. We have set this heat press at 175 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Our pressure is set at 11 psi, and our time is set at 80 seconds. Now let's see our results. We're gonna slide out our lower platen. And you can see our results. Very vibrant colors. Thank you for watching. See you next time.